Hey everyone, it's Jason from Terrace. So today's job, we are doing a parking pad for a customer. She has a garage and then she has a little grown in grass spot where you can put a pad. So it was overgrown, had some garbage inside of it. So the first step was to clean up all the garbage. Then we could cut down the existing earth there. Once we did that, we got brand new 3/4 down in. Once I got it all to proper heights, we wet it down. Switched over to our roller packer, packed everything down, and then we took the little plate packer and then did all our detail work, and that was the final product. So what happened is that she has a garage and then she has a little grown in grass spot where you could put a pad. So it was overgrown, had some garbage inside of it. So the first step was to clean up all the garbage. There was like random junk inside there, eaves, troughs, all this kind of random crap. So that was our first step, was cleaning up the garbage, separating it from the material.
He's like, oh, there's lots of garbage in that. I'm like, it's not like yesterday's job was super easy. That one was super easy. And then this one again too, super easy. Would have been nice if I had the two trucks, because literally I could just cut this, load it into the truck, and then the other truck's already gone. Call the ones that
the spiny ones, yeah, they'll stick to you.
Hid inside there, no?
Definitely, for sure.
Oh man. Found an antique? Yo. Found an antique.
What? Oh, wow. I haven't seen one of those in a hot minute.
My mom used to beat me with that.
The second step was to dig out the overgrowth, which was the weeds and the mud there. So dig out the overgrowth. Then we could cut down the existing earth there. We went down about 6 inches on that one. Most of the times with the customers in that, we will tell them it's, if they want to do the fabric or not. So the fabric is a weed barrier and it's up to the customer, but it is an extra cost. She didn't go with it, so she just wanted the gravel. So all we did is did our 6-inch cut all the way around. We want to measure it, make sure, get rid of all the overgrowth. Okay, so what happened was that when we dug out the material, our truck wasn't there. So what it was is that we kind of messed up. So I was thinking that we were gonna haul the material first, but he actually wanted the material brought in first. So while the driver was gone, I started cutting out the material. Because it's in the back lane, there's not really much space as you can put it. I had to pile it along. Well, I tried my best to pile it along, not to block it so people can still go through, but it's kind of a little bit difficult. There's quite a bit of material coming out. As soon as the truck showed up, we got him to go around, dump it, so that way he was facing the other way. It's kind of a little pain in the ass. And then the other obstacles that we faced too was always in the back lanes you have the electrical lines, so you gotta watch out. So you have to determine, okay, well, where is your truck gonna dump, because you don't want him hitting the power lines. So that was kind of a factor there too. So we got it all figured out, but dumped the material, came all the way back around, got him to go up in the split there, because it's the back lane goes into a T. So I got him to park there, then grab the material, drive it up there. Again, a little bit of a pain in the ass, but nothing you can do when it's a back lane. So that's how we loaded up the material. And then this way the gravel was still close by where you can push it instead of bucketed in like bucket at a time, because that takes forever. So literally you can just kind of push it, get the material, and then your little bits that you have left, then you bucket in, and then you do your cleanup. So nothing that we can't figure out on our own there. It's just, like I said, it's a little kind of think outside the box and look at the job and figure out how you're gonna do it. So as I'm digging out the material, I got the area prepped. The truck comes in, dumps the material, and then I just load him up with the material that has to haul away. So it's literally like you're staying productive. And then, so that was why we had to kind of like carry up the material. It's literally blocked off the roadway. There was no other place I could really put it. I brought some tacos there, some that I had left over, so we had a little taco break. So heated up some taco meat, had all the fixings there, so we had a taco lunch. Nice tacos. Once we did that, we got brand new 3/4 down in, which was I think about a tandem load. Got that dumped in and pushed that inside into her pad area, cleaning that all up, cleaning up the edges. Then I took the smooth bucket to push the material inside there, smooth it all out. Fourth step was pushing your base, smooth it all out, get it to close to height. Once I got it all to basically the proper heights, everything nice and close. Fifth step was water it down and then switched over to a roller packer, pat everything down so it gets nice compacted, because once you wet down the 3/4 base and you pack it down, it goes almost to concrete.
Honestly, you need to make like the videos like kind of like TikTok videos. top, I got 2 buckets. And this one, literally the top of the shop.
6th step would be your detail, which is just run it in with the little hand packer. So the hand packer, what it does is the hand packer gets closer to the surface. So the roller packer has like a little bumper, so you don't crush the stuff. So it leaves about maybe a foot gap from wherever you're roller packing it, unless there's no obstacles in the way. If there's no obstacles in the way, then you can get right up there. But if there's like a fence there or whatever, then you're gonna have like this little gap. So that's why we run the hand packer. That does all the detail work if there's obstacles in the way. She was super happy, besides the fact that we're right by an airport, so I love airplanes, so I got distracted. But she was pretty good about it. She was laughing about that, but she was super happy because, again, too, it's just now besides the garage, because she had a truck, and her truck was too high, that when the snow piled up, she was actually taking out the door of her garage. So that was actually the factor of why she wanted this pad there, because again too, it's a back lane, so all the snow would pile up. I think she even said she did scrape the front, the top of her old vehicle there. So that was again too why she wanted the pad. And then when she got that, she was super happy, not to mention it was like a little jungle inside there, so.